How do you feel about Dee producing her first log?
We'll see how it goes.
She might actually make us out to be total dorks.
Bro.
Nice knee.
What's up everyone? This is number 30 of the Lumiere log journey, and this has been a long overdue log. So sorry for the absence of the Lumiere logs on your feed. We know you've been missing them. Okay, so since the last log, since actually Christmas, you have had a baby. Number 3.
Well, my wife had a baby,
you and
my
Shelley.
beautiful wife.
How has the last 6 weeks been for you?
We welcomed the arrival of a beautiful, healthy boy, Coda Hudson Williams, we named him. And he has graced our life, and the kids absolutely are smitten with a little baby brother.
The main question that everyone will be wanting to know is, when is the 4th coming?
Yeah, look.
Another news.
What's up next, Dee?
Okay.
Well, let's talk about the egg. Well, we haven't even really done anything since lockdown, so a little bit since lockdown. Yo. It's a lot has happened. The reason we haven't actually done another log is we've been pretty consumed with filming a documentary.
The documentary has been awesome. Ora King Salmon, part of the New Zealand King Salmon Company, has hired us to really tell their story, and it's been full on. It's been like 17, 18 production days with the full crew, 4 or 5 locations around the country. We are currently in post-production, and I can't wait to get it all completed.
Really exciting, because they are looking at having multiple cinema sort of red carpet events throughout the country, and then they're all looking to take it offshore to Australia and then to America and Japan, and so it's pretty exciting to be able to have a global cinema placement coming out of little sunny Nelson.
To give you a little insight into what we've been up to with that documentary, here's a 60-second video for you to watch.
For me, Ora King Salmon has got just this absolutely beautiful, clean, magnificent flavour of purity. This wonderful New Zealand product, this beautiful fish, is now being served in the great restaurants in Sydney and in Tokyo and in the US. It's just incredibly versatile. And just knowing all the people that are involved in that stage, from the hatchery right through to the delivery in the restaurant, that gives an amazing sort of confidence and trust that you can pass on to your customers. You're serving great quality produce with provenance behind it.
Speaking of that project, there was a guy whose name will be exposed right now, Baz.
Who's he? Don't know him.
Bro, Baz used to work for us, and he was a huge part in the Ora King project. He was jamming A-cam, at times B-cam, at times assisting.
At times doing road trips in the middle of the night, grabbing lights from the studio.
He is no longer working for us. I don't know if you realise, but he's actually left, and he's doing his own thing now. When we first started Lumiere, we started it with the intention to help facilitate growth of the creative industry here in Nelson. And part of that is to bring people like Baz into the company to, I guess, help them journey towards their future career goals. And so we're just so pumped that we could have been part of that process for Baz. So for me, I'm sure you, that's a huge win. On that note, we want to dedicate the next 30 seconds or so to our good friend Baz.
Where are you going, Basil? On the bus. What a man.
Baz, we love you. Come back soon. Okay, moving on.
We did a good little promo for a video we're doing this summer. We created a campaign and we created a product. We did a video to talk about the product and the campaign, and you know what? It's actually generated some pretty epic foot traffic, eye traffic, finger traffic. Clicks. Because there's a lot of companies out there who want to create quick social media videos and perhaps don't have the budgets that some of these other companies have to spend. And yeah, I guess we just realised that we still want to be able to serve the local market as well as pursue our creative endeavours to grow and to shoot some really cool stuff. So the 111 project is one video, 60-second video, turned around in 1 week for $1,999.999. And if you're in Australia, it's not 000, because that would be free. No videos for no money and no turnaround time at all. You can head to our website, lumiere.nz. There's a little banner up the top there with a summer promo 21. Click on that and you can find out more. We wanted to be able to create Lumiere as a bit of a hub for creatives to be able to come, to be able to develop relationships with other creatives, to be able to create a bit of an ecosystem to refer and bounce off ideas and work together. To do that, we created a co-working space, and we currently have a little bit of availability. So jump onto our website and you can have a look at the co-working space and check out some more information. And you can even drop us an inquiry if you want to come and have a tour, play some table tennis, eat some ice cream.
Hey, there's Greg. Greg.
Hey bro.
Come over.
Come join us.
Speaking of hot desks, Greg has been part of, we're actually live streaming. No.
That's Greg Burgoyne. He's recently joined us from Auckland. Maybe we'll get him in on a log one day to talk about LinkedIn.
Maybe.
Yeah. Greg's definitely opened our eyes to the world of LinkedIn, and so we're trying to explore that a little bit more.
I'm trying to learn the ins and outs of LinkedIn.
Just realised I've got sweat pits. Could you see that while I had my arm up here? I hope not. Hey, look, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to Lumiere Log number 30. I hope there's been something of value there. If not, I hope you've just enjoyed a hot cup of tea while you've watched this. Until next time, Lumiere Log number 31 will be coming at you in June 2023. Peace out. Bro, you have literally, you just moved and cracked.
There's a broken plank underneath.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Bro, it's legit broken.
Oh, I'm off to see the chiro now. Peace out, everyone. Thank you for log number 30.
That was like, that was a big fail.